Hi, I'm Doug Cox. I'm the president of Celtec Trailers, and I'm here with ANTS Trailers, where we've created a unique partnership. A couple of years ago, I met with ANTS at the NATDA show, and we got talking about creating an enclosed cargo trailer for their frame structure that is uniquely designed to carry significant loads and have the ability to go right to the ground and create value add to the industrial world. We then look at our technology, which is a panel structure with a membrane that effectively creates stiffness and strength beyond what any other material can do in the marketplace. We work closely with ANTS and designed and developed a box structure, as you can see here, for the use in the transportation of all types of equipment, material, goods, and services. We're excited about the opportunity of working with ANTS and see a value opportunity to the industrial world. We look forward to having you see the inside and the outside closer to this trailer in a minute. We designed a very unique product going back 2005 that effectively is different than every other panel technology in the marketplace. Today we have 22 different patents on our product. It has a membrane to create stiffness and strength. We've already had this panel in excess of 10 years in the transportation world. We've surpassed 1 million miles. We've gone 10 years of durability, wear and tear, and also suffered the environment of the salt in the winters on the Northland of Canada. And that's why we've selected to put this on ANTS, because this trailer is made and built for durability, sustainability, and toughness. That's what this panel's all about. That's what this frame system's all about. This panel, this trailer, this stiffness, and this frame will out-surpass any other trailer in the marketplace. That's why we are delivering a value add that's not been seen before. We're excited again about working closely with ANTS, and we see a value add to every industrial user in the marketplace. So here we are on the inside of the trailer. We were looking outside a minute ago, now we're on the inside. As you can see, these walls are uniquely designed with this panel structure, only 5/16 of an inch thick, but it has a membrane throughout this panel technology where every 1/2 an inch we have an I-beam structure. That's why we have stiffness and strength. And furthermore, we don't have any posts. Therefore, you have more cube space in the inside of your trailer. In addition, we have vertical tracks that are bonded to the wall. Each one of these tracks will sustain up to 1,000 pounds of weight and pull force. We create a second decking floor throughout this trailer all the time where you can create 4,000 pounds, carry your load, equipment on the bottom and another load on top. Another unique element of our panel technology is not only do we use it for ANTS trailers on the walls, but we use it on the roof. What makes it very unique is that we don't have any roof bulbs on the ceiling of this trailer, but each of these panels will sustain up to 1,000 pounds of weight and force carrying load. And now we have the ability to have one floor down here. We create a second floor here. We actually have a third floor up above. This trailer is designed to create variability, versatility, and flexibility. We're excited about working with ANTS.